Hey guys, I'm back again. So, first of all, I'm sorry for the lack of a big video last week. Um, it's technically still last week for me, and up until yesterday, I didn't have any contacts, and it's hard enough for me to put makeup on without contacts, let alone do any kind of recording. And I wanted to make sure that whatever I created for you guys was just as top notch as I could as top notch as I could get for you. So I wanted to wait until I had a fresh pair of contacts that did not have jalapeno juice on them so that I could do this tutorial for you guys. I also had to change my plans. I was trying to do something more Halloween based, like a cool masquerade mask made out of makeup entirely, but as you can see, my little nose friend here is struggling. I didn't want to put a bunch of, whatever I used around that and, make it worse. So I'm going to let it heal a little and we'll try again with that soon. If nothing else, it'll just be a Halloween special. So, yeah. Today we're going to do a look that I've had several people compliment me on. I've done it before. It's very, very simple, very easy. I think it's like 4 eyeshadows maybe. But yeah, it's a very easy eyeshadow look. It's good for, it's a very natural glam kind of look. I will be using exclusively the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, which you've seen me use this before. This is what it looks like inside. If you weren't aware, it does smell like chocolate. Most people are at this point, but it's always good to tell people because that's important. But yeah, I've already got, the rest of my face on, my contour, my highlight, as you can see. So I'm just doing the eyes for today. Just something quick and easy and that anyone could do. And if you have similar colors, you don't have to have the chocolate bar to do this. This is also like a template is what I call it. So it's like something that you can do, multiple looks in this style, or if you've got similar colors, try that. So it's very versatile look. It's very simple. If you've got a job that won't let you wear really wild, fun makeup, I had one of those once. This would be good for that. If you want to look a little bit more fresh-faced and effortless, even though you have a full face of makeup on, this look is good for that. Or if you're kind of funny about wearing really bright eyeshadow looks, this is a good look for you. So, without further ado, I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to dip into the color Salted Caramel, which is this one here. And I'm going to dip into it with my Luxie medium angled shading brush, Luxie 207. It's a little on the dirty side, but I've been using it for this kind of crease style, so it isn't going to really make a huge difference with the look itself. So, make sure that I'm not going to get in the way. Okay, so dip into Salted Caramel, and I kind of start it right here. And I angle the brush backwards and kind of pull it over into the crease. And you'll see it doesn't get very far, so I dip back in, kind of pull it up a little further. So what I'm doing here is kind of providing like a natural looking crease. Some color, but not a whole massive amount. And the same over on the other side. And now I'm going to take my Crown Pro blending brush and just kind of blend out all the edges, especially the upper ones. The lower ones aren't quite as pressing, but you still want to kind of blend the whole thing on both sides. Alright, then you take the same brush and go into Milk Chocolate, which is a darker one. Salted Caramel is kind of like a warm, soft brown. Kind of closer to tan than brown. Milk Chocolate is just a light, kind of neutral brown. So again, put it right in your crease and kind of pull it over. Don't pull it up, just pull it over. You're just kind of defining the crease. You can take a little tiny bit more and bring it up a little further if you'd like this color to be more visible, or if you want it just to be a definer, you don't have to bring it up any. I usually like to bring it up a little, just because I like having different color, my crease visible as well. And then again, blending brush, and kind of blend that into the other color. On both sides. Like so. And then the last little bit of the crease, I'm going to take Semi-Sweet, which is a warm, kind of a medium brown, but you could also use Triple Fudge if you preferred. Just kind of a darker, this will be the darkest shade. And I just dab this, especially Triple Fudge. Semi-Sweet you can get a little bit more, but Triple Fudge is very pigmented and it's very dark, and you don't want a whole lot of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it right into this corner of my crease. And then take my blending brush and kind of pull the color over and blend it in to further define my crease. And you can kind of see the difference in how this one's a little bit more shadowed than this one. I'm going to do the same over here. And then blend. Yep, and now I take a finger. You can also use like brushes similar to this one, like very flat, kind of concealer type brushes, but I just like using a finger. I get perfectly great coverage. And then I go from that, and I go into Champagne Truffle, which is this pink highlightery shade almost, and just take it, kind of pull it across my lid. I want my whole lid to be covered with this very light shimmer. Don't worry too much about harsh edges. We'll blend out those after we're done. On both sides. And then just kind of take your blending brush and blend in the crease, anything that may have gotten in there, any harsh edges you've got up in the crease. And this is like 90% of the look. This is most of it. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeliner. I'll show you the way I did eyeliner for this. And optionally, you can smudge a little bit of one of those like medium brown shades under your eye to kind of tie it all together, especially if you wanted to do a like a more shadowy, smoky look. But I am going to go ahead and do eyeliner. So that I can kind of shadow it out a little bit, smoke it out. Coffee first. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this white Wet n Wild in my lower inner rim, my Kajal Vasanti Waterline eyeliner in intense black in my upper lash line, and then I'll be using my Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner in Serum in Ultra Black. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will smoke out the rest of this look. And you can use, more or less eyeliner. You could use brown. I just like a tiny bit of definition, even if I'm not doing anything huge huge as far as eyeliner is concerned. But I am going to smoke this out so you guys can see what it looks like smoked out. I am using my Storybook Cosmetics pencil brush. And I'm going to dip into milk chocolate again. Kind of tap into it. Let's get a little bit on the end. And focus it right around the first half of my lower lash line. On both sides. And then I have this smudging brush. This guy here, it's a little bit on the blue side, but something of this nature, and I'm going to kind of smudge that out, just kind of blend it and smudge it just a little bit. So see, it doesn't make a huge difference, but just a tiny, tiny little bit. And to finish off my eyes, I am going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with my Colourpop Supershock Cheek highlighter in Flexitarian. I'm just going to take that on my pinky and just blend that into my brow bone in the inner corner. I'm going to go off camera, put some mascara on and some setting spray and a lipstick, and I will be back to finish all this off. Okay, I'm back. I finished this look off with my Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Trophy Wife. So this is kind of the final finished look. You can use any lipstick you want with this. It's one of the best parts about it. It doesn't matter. It's a great neutral eye look, like neutral eye glam kind of thing happening, so that you can do literally whatever you want with lipstick. It's another reason why I like it so much. But yep, that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you as well. I'm sorry the lighting's a little funky in here. It's raining outside, so that really changes the way that my room is lit. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a good big old thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of the wackiness as soon as it comes out. I will be listing everything that I used on my face today in the description box below, so that you guys can use it if you'd like. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!